Hi, welcome back to Missing Chemistry. This is Empirical and Molecular Formula, lesson number 5. Okay, empirical formulas. What are empirical formulas? Well, empirical formulas are the simplest form of formulas using simplest whole number ratios. Molecular formulas, on the other hand, show the number of atoms within a molecule that are often not in the simplest whole number ratios. Okay, let's look at our problem here. A compound has 40.68% carbon, 5.12% hydrogen, and 54.20% oxygen. What is the empirical formula? Well, you have to remember that 1% is equal to 1 gram. So when we have 40.68% carbon, we actually have 40.68 grams of carbon, all right? And that means we'll have 5.12 grams of hydrogen, and we'll have 54.20 grams of oxygen. Okay, so now we're looking at this. All right, so now, what is the molecular mass of carbon? Well, if you look at a periodic table, the molecular mass of carbon is 12.01 grams. Okay, and the molecular mass of hydrogen is 1.01 grams. And the molecular mass of oxygen is 16.00 grams. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and convert this into moles. So 40.68 grams of carbon divided by 12.01 grams of carbon, and this is per mole, of course. That's going to give me 3.387 moles of carbon. Okay. And when we do the hydrogen here, 5.12 grams of hydrogen divided by 1.1 grams per mole of hydrogen. That's going to give me approximately, let's see here, my calculator here, and let's go ahead and do that. And we'll get that number real quickly, which is going to be, okay, it's going to equal 5.069 moles of hydrogen. Okay, and then we take 54.020 grams of oxygen divided by 16 grams per mole of oxygen, right? And that's going to give me approximately 3.388 moles of oxygen. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to take our smallest number and divide it into all the other ones. So 3.387 is our smallest, so we're going to do this. 3.387 and divide this by 3.387 and divide this by 3.387. All right, so this is going to give me 1. This is going to give me 1.496. So let's make that a little bit better there. I don't know why we're getting this flashing. However, we will get through this. And this is going to give me, of course, let's see here. Got it. 6 right there. And this is going to give me, of course, 1. Basically 1 here. So you see this 1.496, we're going to have to multiply it by 2 to get to the closest whole number to give us 3. But if we multiply that by 2, we must also multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 2. So this gives me 2 and 2. So our empirical formula is going to be, of course, C2H3O2. And that's it. Well, if you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moosing Chemistry.